Hello everyone, welcome to Business School 101. Imagine you've built a talented team. Your employees are skilled, motivated, and aligned with your company's mission. But one day, your top performer hands in their resignation, and then another. Replacing them isn't just expensive, it slows down momentum and hurts morale. That's where employee retention strategies come in. In today's video, we'll talk about what employee retention really means, why it's more important than ever, the strategies companies use to keep their best talent, and how organizations like Netflix, Huawei, and Marriott make retention a top priority. Section 1. What is employee retention? Employee retention refers to a company's ability to keep its employees over time and reduce turnover. It's not just about offering more money, it's about creating an environment where employees want to stay and grow. High retention means lower hiring costs, more experienced teams, and better continuity for long-term success. In competitive industries, it can be a major strategic advantage. Section 2. Why it matters. Losing employees is costly. Studies show that replacing a mid-level employee can cost up to 150% of their annual salary when you factor in recruitment, training, and lost productivity. Frequent turnover also damages team morale and customer service. On the other hand, companies with strong retention strategies enjoy higher engagement, better performance, and a stronger employer brand. Section 3. Top employee retention strategies. Number 1. Offer career development opportunities. One of the most powerful ways to retain employees is by investing in their growth. People want to feel that they're progressing, not just collecting a paycheck. This includes offering training workshops, tuition reimbursement, leadership development tracks, and clear paths for promotion. Career conversations and mentorship opportunities also signal that the company values long-term development. For example, Huawei has a well-structured talent pipeline that includes overseas job rotations and advanced tech training. Employees are encouraged to continuously upgrade their skills, making them more loyal to the company and more valuable to the organization. Number 2. Recognize and reward performance. Recognition fosters engagement. Employees who feel seen and appreciated are more likely to stay. Recognition can come in many forms: public praise, performance bonuses, promotions, or even simple thank you messages from leadership. The key is consistency and sincerity. For example, Salesforce built an internal recognition platform where peers and managers can easily acknowledge achievements. Their Top Performer Awards and career growth incentives have helped build a high retention culture rooted in appreciation. Number 3. Foster a healthy work-life balance. Employees burn out when they're constantly overworked or unable to disconnect. Flexible schedules, hybrid work models, generous vacation policies, and mental health resources are essential in today's workplace. Companies that respect boundaries and promote well-being often see lower turnover. For example, Marriott International supports work-life balance by offering flexible shifts for hourly workers, wellness resources for salaried staff, and internal mobility so employees can switch roles instead of quitting. Their approach has earned them recognition as one of the best employers in hospitality. Number 4. Build a strong company culture. A company's culture, its shared values, behaviors, and beliefs, has a direct impact on retention. When employees feel aligned with the company's mission and values, they are more committed and engaged. A positive culture also includes fairness, psychological safety, inclusivity, and a sense of belonging. For example, Alibaba fosters a mission-driven culture, where employees are seen as part of a family. Jack Ma famously promoted a customer first, employee second, shareholders third philosophy, encouraging loyalty and deep alignment with the company's purpose. Number 5. Conduct stay interviews. Stay interviews are proactive one-on-one meetings with current employees to explore what they enjoy about their job and what might cause them to leave. These conversations reveal early warning signs and allow managers to make changes before it's too late. For example, HubSpot, a U.S. software company, uses regular pulse check meetings to learn about team sentiment. Managers are trained to ask open-ended questions about engagement, stress levels, and career goals, which helps them retain top talent by resolving issues early. Number 6. Provide competitive compensation and benefits. While purpose and culture matter, fair compensation is still a baseline requirement. This includes not just salary but also health insurance, paid leave, parental benefits, retirement plans, and equity options. Regular benchmarking against industry standards shows employees they are being valued appropriately. For example, Netflix famously follows a top-of-market compensation model. Instead of providing incremental raises, they reassess salaries regularly and make large adjustments to match market trends, giving employees little reason to look elsewhere. Section 4. Common retention challenges. Despite good intentions, many companies struggle with retention due to following reasons. Number 1. Changing workforce expectations. Today's employees, especially younger generations, expect more than just a paycheck. They seek purpose, flexibility, career growth, and work-life balance. If companies don't adapt to these evolving expectations, even high performers may leave for more progressive employers. Number 2. Burnout and stress. In fast-paced industries, long hours, high workloads, and unclear boundaries can lead to employee burnout. Burned-out employees may disengage or leave, especially if they feel unsupported or undervalued by leadership. Preventing burnout requires intentional wellness policies and workload management. Number 3. Lack of advancement opportunities. When employees feel stuck in the same role without a clear path forward, they often look for growth elsewhere. A flat organizational structure or poor communication about internal opportunities can limit career visibility and increase turnover. Number 4. Competitive job market. In certain industries like tech, healthcare, and finance, top talent is constantly being courted by recruiters with better offers. Even satisfied employees may be tempted by higher salaries, remote options, or faster growth elsewhere, making retention an ongoing battle. Section 5. Summary. To sum up, employee retention isn't just an HR issue, it's a business imperative. From career development and recognition to culture and compensation, every touchpoint matters. The companies that retain talent best are the ones that listen, adapt, and invest in their people. If you want long-term growth, don't just attract talent, learn how to keep it. That's all for today's topic. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.